New at 5 o'clock, an elite group of firefighters trained in search and rescue back in Mobile after helping in the aftermath of Hurricane Laura. And K-9s play an important role in that group. Nicolette Schleisman has seen those dogs train, and she tells us how that training was put to good use in Lake Charles.
As Hurricane Laura was moving towards Louisiana,
very impressive hurricane,
the Alabama Task Force 1 was heading towards the storm.
You have to definitely be very passionate.
Jennifer Arballo and Claudia Haga Wright are K-9 search and rescue teams part of that task force.
We are 100% volunteer.
The morning after the storm, they went straight to work.
We go house to house, talking to each person.
Searching homes and making sure those who stayed survived.
We had an apartment complex with numerous buildings, and my dog Ozzy was adamant that somebody is in this apartment building, in this particular apartment, and we were able to confirm that there was a person in that apartment still, but they did not need further assistance.
We had a couple houses that there were cars in the driveway. The entry and exits were blocked. The neighbors didn't know if there was somebody in there or not.
They train non-stop with their dogs for moments just like this.
At times, it's very humbling.
The entire Alabama Task Force crew worked for hours, making sure everyone in Lake Charles was safe.
It makes for very long days, but it's 100% worth it.
They are looking for more volunteers to join their team. If you're interested, we have a link to their website on our website, WKRG.com. Just search K-9. At the Mobile Fire Training Academy, Nicolette Schleisman, WKRG News 5.